Hello everyone, welcome back to the AI Ad Action channel. Today we're going to explore an advanced AI platform designed to revolutionize the way we interact, create, and deliver messages. Introducing AI Studios, formerly known as DeepBrain AI, now upgraded with a host of groundbreaking features. A one-stop platform that makes creating realistic AI videos effortless. Stay tuned, because this is going to amaze you. Imagine this. Lifelike AI avatars, text-to-speech capabilities with natural voices, powerful video editing, and even tools to transform your script into a complete product, all packed into a single platform. Whether you're a content creator, a marketer, or simply a tech enthusiast, this platform has something for everyone. The first highlight of AI Studios is AI avatars. These are highly realistic virtual characters equipped with natural language processing (NLP) capabilities. These avatars not only look human, but can also communicate naturally, making them ideal as brand ambassadors, customer assistants, or even digital influencers.
Hi, I am Jake, one of the many avatars available from DeepBrain AI. Choose a template, and let's get started.
Here's Michael, Samantha, and Alicia. Each avatar is incredibly lifelike and customizable. Need a professional look or something more casual for social media? No problem. Simply choose the gender, outfit, and style and watch the magic happen. The best part? You can even create a custom avatar based on yourself. Imagine having a digital version of yourself always ready to present your content 24/7. How cool is that? AI avatars don't just speak, they perform natural gestures and expressions. You can customize hand movements, facial expressions, and even the angles to fit your content perfectly. This makes your videos more engaging and dynamic than ever before. Moreover, AI Studios supports multiple languages and regional voices. You can create content tailored to an international audience effortlessly. The voice capabilities are just as impressive. From cheerful tones to serious narrations, AI Studios offers plenty of options. You can even use voice cloning to replicate your own voice. I tried it, and I have to say, it's like magic. Just upload a sample of your voice, and the AI takes care of the rest. Don't know how to write a script? Don't worry. With the AI script generator, you can create scripts instantly. For example, let's make a script about how to bake a birthday cake. Done. The content is ready in no time. You can edit, add details, or use it as is. How easy is that? Managing projects has never been simpler. Invite collaborators, organize resources, and keep everything tidy. Additionally, you can upload presentations and integrate avatars into slides to bring them to life. Want to get more creative? Use advanced editing tools. With just a few clicks, you can add effects, adjust speed, or enhance colors to make your videos perfect. That's not all. AI Studios offers professional video templates for YouTube, TikTok, and other platforms. Just pick a template, add your content, and you're done in minutes. And here's the final result: a polished, professional video in just minutes. You can export it in HD quality and share it anywhere. YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. The possibilities are endless.
Making a birthday cake is a fun and rewarding process. Here's a simple recipe. Ingredients: 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 cup sugar, 1 2-cup butter, sname hung often, 1 cup milk, 3 1/2 TSP baking powder, 1 TSP vanilla extract, 1.
Of course, no solution is perfect. Let's quickly go over the pros and cons of AI Studios. Pros: saves time and production costs. Highly realistic and interactive AI avatars. Flexible customization for various industries. Cons: initial costs can be high, especially for custom avatars. Avatars may lack genuine emotional sensitivity in certain situations. High-quality scripts are required for optimal results. So what do you think? AI Studios isn't just a tool, It's a revolution for creators like you and me. Ready to give it a try? Click the link below to start exploring and let us know in the comments what AI content you want to see next. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. This is AI Add Action, bringing your ideas to life with the power of AI. See you in the next video.